Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Be a blessing to you. Your word of the day is wisdom, knowledge, understanding. It's time to ask. It's also time to think smart, work smart. Just because you're working hard does not mean that you're being productive. Work smart and work hard. Just because you are worn out doesn't mean that you had a full day or a complete day or a successful day. You're just tired. Work efficiently, effectively. So I want you to think before you do. Make sure that you cross every T, dot every I, check all the punctuations, make all the smart moves, and don't mind or have a teachable spirit. Don't worry and don't mind asking. Sometimes a lot of people are scared to ask. Don't worry about that. Put the ego aside. Ask the pertinent questions to get the answers that you need so you can skyrocket to the next level. God has a plan for me. I live here and now knowing that beauty is to come, and I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has planned. I learn from my experiences, take small steps of faith to succeed. Succession is definitely in your future, immediate future. We're about 20 meters out from switching to a new season where blessings are going to overshower you. Thanks to all my efforts, beauty is around me, and you build all the things you've been working for and working on. You have a great, strong foundation, not only in thought, but also in action. Continue to move forward because you didn't work this hard to stop now. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.